What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the very first episode of the full build of the project. Now it's a little bit different. I don't know why, I don't know what happened, but I lost the intro to the video. So this will be a little bit different. I'll see a whole change of clothes and everything like that. So we're pretty deep in the build right now. I don't want to show you guys too much, but go ahead and watch this very first video and then follow up with us as we go along, guys. So like I said, this is the very first episode, the very first start of our build. Our Turbo Coyote powered New Edge. That's also a giveaway car, guys. So you guys can actually win this car. If you go to our website, sonicspeedshop.com, every dollar that you spend counts as one entry to this car. So make sure you guys check out our website, give us a follow, like the video, and subscribe to the channel because we're gonna keep pumping them out, guys. Our plan is to put out about 2 videos per week, so you guys be on the lookout for those. All right, let's get to it.
On this style of car. Ooh, the cojones. Now figure out the rest. Ooh, why you have a tring, 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 tring?
Oh, golly. Don't say why, I got it. All right, guys, so we just started on doing the interior of the car. We got most of the panels that were already in the car out. As you can see behind me, we're creating a little pile of stuff that we're gonna keep, see if we can recover it, and then paint it charcoal black to match the interior. The interior is gonna look really nice once we get it all painted or dyed, whichever way, it'll look good. But Bieber right now, he's still working. I've been helping him out. I'm kind of sweaty right now because it is a scorcher today. I think it's about 104. And the shop fans are doing their job the way that the best they can, but it's still pretty warm in here. So we're still sweating it out, but we're gonna keep going, keep rocking out, and hopefully get all the interior out and done for today. All right, let's get back to it, guys.
All right, you got the previous owner.
Oh yeah?
Wow,
Oh, there we go. I wish I would have had that before. Wish I would have went through the car, I guess.
Yep.
Comes off.
How much was this, Brian? Anybody that does not have this,
$7.
spend $7. Makes life easy.
Yeah, this is one of those tools where it's like, man, I wish I had it.
But you never get it.
But you never get it. You never get it at all, but we end up getting it, so it's making things a breeze.
Makes life easy.
Making it real easy. All we need is the easy button. Yeah. That was easy. All right, so we're inside the car now. We're working on the dashboard. We're going to get all this stuff out, and pretty soon this whole car is going to be gutted. It's going to be freaking like just nothing but metal, down to the metal pretty much.
Lightweight.
Lightweight. It's a whole bunch of weight reduction right now. say?
Not a sponsor.
Dang, she's all out. All right, guys, so we got the dashboard out. Bieber and I, we're freaking tired. That was a mission. It's over there.
One of us is sweaty.
One of us is pretty sweaty, and I'm not going to say who it is, but you guys can see who's been doing the most work. But but it's all out. Next, we got to do all the other plastics, get all the stuff out of the dash. For this car, it'll be a strict street car, race car deal. So no AC, no power steering, but it's all brand new parts. We're doing it the best possible way you can do it. So you guys stay tuned. We're doing a lot.
Well, the AC is the windows.
The AC, yeah, exactly. You don't need AC when you got windows.
You know, global warming.
Global warming, exactly. Make sure you're watching out for planet Earth.
All right. Carpet's next.
Not the glass.
Are we reusing the glass?
Yeah, if it's not broken.
Are you sure?
Positive.
What if it cracked? Then you use Lexan.
What's up, guys? So we got it all pretty much removed. If you can see behind me, our square is filling right up. It's almost completely full. It's almost completely full with all the interior. We got the dashboard right here, all the interior pieces. We're just spreading them out, making sure nothing's broken, seeing what we have to repaint, seeing what we have to re-dye. Next is gonna come out is the AC unit itself, the box for the interior. We're gonna pull that thing right out, and then after that, it'll be the carpet, and then that'll be pretty much all the interior pieces, and we'll work on the engine next. All right. Forgot the bolts. Yeah, there's bolts in the engine bay. There's 2 nuts.
Trash this
Sorry. No, we heard it.
Well, that was easy. You hit that button.
Easy. Well, that was easy. All right, guys, so we're just wrapping up pulling all the interior out. We pulled the stuff out of the trunk, and in order to get the box for the AC, we got to lift the car up and get some of the bolts out. We got to drain the radiator coolant and then a couple other things underneath the car, but we got to lift, so we might as well use it. So Bieber and I pushed it back. I think this is the second time this car's been on this lift, and it should be a lot easier. We'll see. Get her done.
Give it another little quick shake. Oh, we're solid.
We already gave her a quick thing. Now we're on. This is okay for me. I would like it a little bit higher the next one.
Sucks to be tall.
Sucks to be tall, unfortunately.
All right, so where's the drain?
It's right here.
Oh, there she is.
Take her out the front.
Oh, and I see the liquid. actually seeing you.
That's you.
Oh yeah.
That's so you.
Oh yeah.
That's so you.
All right.
That's so Raven. You've got all the cooling out.
Cooling's out. Get the heater for wires. Hoses out.
Mm-hmm. She's ready.
Ready? Ready? Oh, I broke something.
No, you didn't.
Okay. This must come out. What AC? Oh,
Oh, you said you
For the
broke.
rubber
You said you
pads.
broke something, huh?
I think I did. This tab right here.
See, all you had to do was lift it up.
I was lifting. Had to drop the purse like Brian said.
Yeah. All right, guys, so we're all wrapped up for today. We did a lot of cool stuff. We took out pretty much all the interior in the Mustang. As you can see, we got it all right here. It's pretty much gutted. I was just telling Bieber, man, it's crazy how much stuff they fit in these cars, man. It's a lot of stuff. We try to make sure that we didn't break too much stuff as we were pulling out, just in case someone needed it. I mean, we're not gonna use it, so it'll be there. If you guys need something, let me know or hit up Bieber. The wheels are already taken for. We got a new sponsor thanks to, oh, I can't. Thanks to someone sponsored us with some drinks, and you know who you are, so you get the wheels. We appreciate it, for real. Now our refrigerator is packed with drinks, nice Monsters and a couple other things. I don't drink energy drinks like that, but I know Bieber does, and you know, I know he's happy about it. But yeah, let's take a look at the Mustang, see what we done. Yep, like it is right here. It is completely gutted. Man, this is perfect. This is the perfect starting point. And then also in the trunk, we pulled out all the trunk stuff too as well. All the interior pieces, everything. It is ready. It is ready for some interior. Like I said, what we're gonna do with the interior is we're gonna try to save as much pieces as we can. All the pieces that we can save, we'll dye them to a nice charcoal color. I like that more than the gray. I pretty much think everyone likes that more than the gray. So that's what we'll do. We'll dye it all black, including the headliner too. If we can save the headliner, we will. If we can't, we'll try something else. But that's the plan. That's what we're planning on doing. The next day, the next episode, we're actually gonna start on tearing out the motor now. The motor is about ready to come out. Pretty much the AC lines, those have already been taken out and set on the ground over there. We had to do all that just to get all the stuff out of the dashboard. But the engine has to come out, the transmission has to come out, the exhaust has to come out. Everything's got to come out. This thing has got to be a complete shell. And everything that we're not using, like I said, we'll give away, we'll sell it. Depends on, you know, what everyone asks for them. But we're all wrapped up for today. I want to thank you guys for following with us. Bieber, you got anything to say?
Make sure to subscribe.
That's right. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then also hit that bell icon to stay with us, because every time we release a video, that bell will notify you guys. So we appreciate you. Make sure you have a good one. Peace.